so hard to flip this without feeling like I'm gonna drop it. This aluminum is so slippery, especially when it's fresh. Well, this one is very tuned, very tuned. This feels so slippery, man. Like I'm gonna just drop this shit, and I don't want to blight it. Ugh, I'm so scared to flip this right now. Man, it's cold outside. Fucking, it's cold outside and. Cold outside, man. Cold outside and it's difficult to flip this shit. My fingers could barely articulate. So what I'm gonna do with this video now, since I just shot and flipping, I'm gonna just break it up into segments, man. Just so I can keep my Balisong safe, because I don't want to drop it, you know. I don't want to drop my Balisong, especially this one. So I'm gonna just break this up into segments for you. I wish it was a pile of grass. I could flip over and be safe with this shit, man. There ain't even a pile of grass around. So I just gotta be careful not to drop my shit. Break this up into segments.